Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Brave browser on your device. For example, if you have been experiencing issues lately, or if you simply would like to get the latest version of Brave on your device. So this is how you can do it, guys. It is super simple. Here on your home screen on Brave browser, click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. And after that, click on that option here at the bottom about Brave, and then you see the version, the current version of the Brave browser installed on your device. Click on it, and after that, Brave will automatically search the internet for new updates or for the latest version of Brave. And if there have been released newer versions of Brave lately, it will automatically download and install these. So as you can see, my Brave browser is up to date, so there's no need to update anything, but that's how you can do it, guys. For example, that may help you solve issues or fix issues and bugs here in Brave browser, updating a browser to the newest version. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's call it a day here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our channel.